The Cape to Cape Trail runs 135 kilometres along the Margaret River coastline, about 3 hours south of Perth. This region is known for its wineries, but also for its beautiful coastline. The trail starts in the north in Cape Naturalist and runs all the way down to Cape Leeuwin, along sea cliffs, through forest. It's a place where you'll see amazing displays of wildflowers, whales, dolphins, all sorts of wildlife. So for a coastal trail, it does actually have quite a lot of variety. Here at Inspiration Outdoors, we've established our tours for the everyday walker. The tours start in Perth. We pick up in the Perth CBD and then we drive down to the Capes region. Each day we do a day walk on the Cape to Cape, starting from the point where we finished the day prior. And most of the walks are sort of around 18 to 20 kilometres each day. So over 7 days, you can complete the whole Cape to Cape track, because each night we're returning to central accommodation just outside of Margaret River. And that means you don't have to carry a backpack or sleep in a tent, so you can sleep in a proper bed, you can have a proper meal, and maybe have a glass or two of wine each night. It's a really wonderful way of doing the tour, and it means that people with a moderate level of fitness can do the trail. It's a holiday that really makes you feel great, because you're being active the whole time, you're eating healthy food, you're engaging with nature, and you're making new friends. Walking 135 kilometres, you could do that on a treadmill, but to do it in such a beautiful place like this, it's a really different experience, because the only way to access this coastline is to walk.